Fun with Phonics with Mrs. Yerke.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Phonics with Mrs. Yerke. So one of the sounds that we're practicing today is using this spelling pattern, MB, together. And together it just says the sound, There's no B in that. You can see it in the spelling pattern, but the B doesn't make a sound. It's silent. So it says, Make that sound at home. So this is one of our spelling patterns that we're working on today. Now I have a couple of examples of words with the MB for in them, but I got tricky and took out the vowel. I know that yesterday we reviewed our short vowels, and I have them here in this box. We have A, E, I, O, and U. And we reviewed the sounds that they made. Make them with me. A, I, O, All right, so we're going to figure out what is the vowel that Mrs. Yerke took out of these three MB for words. Okay, so I have on the first word, we have L something, L something. Now there are a few possibilities here, and I bet you've already called a couple of them out to your parents. We could take, let's try something. Let's take O. Could O work? Could that work? No, that one's not going to work. What about U? Lum, is that a word? No, that doesn't work. Let's try A. Lamb, could that work? Yes, lamb could work. There's one example. You know, there is one more that could work with this very same spelling pattern. Let's look for it. Is lem a word? No. How about Is lim a word? It sure is. All right, let's look at our next thing. We have something. Cram? I know it's not spelled that way, so it can't be A. Crom? That's not going to work. Call it out if you know it. If you guessed you are correct. Oops. We have crumb. Awesome. Let's look at the last one. We have something. What could it be? Fam? Let's try it with E. Say it. Fem? Not quite like that. If you guessed you are correct. We have thumb. Awesome work, everybody. Thanks for playing.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at some new sounds. Sometimes A sounds like ah in words. Can you think of any examples? Something that sounds like ah, but spelled A. Let's see if you thought of any of my examples. I have wasp, water, wash, and walk. Now we're going to look at MB. Sometimes MB is put together, usually at the end of a word, and the B is silent. It just gives us the same sound as our monkey card, the sound. Call out some examples if you can think of some words that you've seen before that have MB at the end, but we just say If you thought of thumb or climb, those are some ones that I was thinking of. Can you guess the mystery picture spelled MB? Let's see. Oh, I bet you know it. I think I know it. Tell your guess to a parent. I will reveal. There it is. You're right. It's a thumb. Let's try another one. Oh, I think I know it. It looks white and furry. uncover one more. Okay, tell your guess to someone nearby. Here we go. You got it? It's a lamb. Lamb. All right, let's do some reading. We have water, water, wasp, wasp, wash, wash, and walk, walk. All of those ways that just A or ALK is saying the ah sound. Let's look at some more examples of our sound spelling patterns for today. We have would we say lamb? No, you're so right. The B is silent. The word is lamb. Let's try another one. Good, crumb. I'm going to let you read this one to a parent. Very good, thumb. And another one. Excellent, limb. Call out the sound spelling pattern that is showing in these words. If you said MB, you are correct. MB in lamb, MB in crumb, MB in thumb, and MB in limb. Nice. Our last line to read, here we go. Ooh, crawl, saw, ooh, there it is again, lamb, and climb. Some review there, climb. Some review in awe. How do we spell that spelling pattern for awe? In crawl and saw. If you said AW, you are correct. And how do we spell in lamb and climb? If you said MB, you've got it. Okay, here's our fun last page. So I'm going to ask you a question and see if you can finish it using one of the words that you see. So the first one is, what is something that you can drink? Call that out to a parent. What is something you can drink? If you said water, you are correct. Water, there it is. What is something that is part of your hand? Yes, thumb. Very good. What is the name of a baby animal? Yes, lamb. Oh, and that just gave away my last one. My last one was, what is the name of the way babies move? Say it if you know it. You can see it. It is crawl. Nice job, everyone.